Adsorption versus absorption. Let's see together the difference between them and be amazed together. Adsorption is you have an adsorption material, and here the surface is important. Surface. Because you're pouring some matter on it, and this matter will be attached on the surface because of it can be ionic interaction, electrical interaction, or something. Okay, so this is just related to the surface. Let's now absorption. You are pouring a matter, let's say a liquid, and you have an absorption material on your hand like a sponge. SpongeBob. Okay, and what will be happen that this matter will absorb this liquid inside of it. So inside, this is the difference between them. Here surface, here the matter will be inside. To remember the difference between them, we will use the first part of the adsorption word, which is similar to another English word, adding. I will imagine I am just adding some sparkles on something. So the sparkles will go on the surface of the material, so that since I used surface word in my imagination and with my sparkles, so I will remember adsorption is related to the surface interactions. But in here, absorption, I will use the pronunciation of it. How? You will just check your lips while saying absorption, like saying ab part. See, your lips are going inside, right? Since I used here the inside word, I will remember absorption is absorbing the matter inside.